framework, and I'm going to go over the major issues of the round. Okay. So first on the framework, we argue this idea of prohibition. Now they say that countries want us. Yes, we agree countries want us. What they don't want is the United States pushing its domestic policy on Latin America. That is what they don't understand about our first observation. The Simon Fraser University evidence says that we're pushing domestic policy on Latin America, which isn't good. We're not arguing decreasing all aid and help to those countries. We're arguing changing how we approach giving those countries policies. So that is one of the major issues around health. Our health point is our third contention. It talks about HIV and AIDS, so go there first. They respond to HIV in a few ways, but the most important part is that they completely disregard the time evidence, which says that in countries where we've implemented HIV prevention programs in terms of needle exchange programs, we've seen a 1/3 reduction in HIV rates. It doesn't matter how many people have access if that's a pretty significant and stable pattern. Next, we have the gay men's health crisis, which says that NGOs are not effective in implementing the programs because of the link that they draw, the stigma link. People do not want to seek treatment and go to needle exchange programs that are run by NGOs because they're afraid of being arrested when they go there. That is a problem with our prohibitionist policy. Not only are we not allowed to fund them, but people don't even want to go to them because they're afraid of being arrested. We have to list these policies to fix this. Then they talk about the next point on health is their whole case, which is about cigarettes. Very importantly, you can look at the article itself. Let's understand what an excise tax is. An excise tax is a tax on a luxury good by the United States government. This article talks about the United States government passing a luxury tax on United States cigarette companies. Just because they sell to Latin American countries does not make it anti-drug policies in Latin America. It's just trying to increase overall taxes from the United States. That's not the same thing. Now we're going to human rights, which is prisons. Okay, they dropped the major impact in this prison argument. The major impact in the prison argument is that we're increasing the number of people joining cartels because of overcrowding. They say we're fixing judicial problems and that we have a 93% increase in conviction rates. That's bad. More people in prison means more people in cartels. They completely dropped that. Finally, they want a unique analysis on violence. Kamen of Yale said that we saw 11,500 more homicides regardless of the patterns of violence because of our policies. So for these reasons, we affirm. Thank you.